Hi guys, this is archon forex here, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video, we are doing our weekly forecast on GBP USD and XAU USD. This is our first video in this new year, and happy new year to you all. Happy new year. I wish you great things in this new year 2025. So without wasting much of our time, let's move into the video. Now, this is a monthly time frame. A monthly time frame, we are here to check the last month candle, which is the month of December. Here, which is bearish candle. So that will give us an insight like what we should be expecting for the other months. So now, which is we have a bearish candle. So we'll be having it in mind that probably we can have a bearish month for the month of this January as well. But we won't just jump into the trade and started looking for and started selling. No, we still have to make sure the trend is in our favor before we can enter for the sell. Now, let's move into 1 week. Work on weekly time frame. So on weekly time frame, we have a bullish trend, as you can see. We have a bullish trend. So, but I want you to take note of something around here. Since we are on a bullish trend and markets react around here, give us a retracement, come back again, give us a kind of weak rejection, but still eventually break it out. So, and if you are going to read the chart, we are going to read the chart. I'm going to see break of structure, break of structure, break of structure, and change of character. Let's go to the literal so we can see it very well. So on the time frame, see it. We have a break of structure, a break of structure, a break of structure, change of character, change of structure. Then we have a break of structure around here as well. So this break of structure, so this is a break of structure here as well. So with this, we're looking out for you. So since market is breaking structure to the downside, which also align with what I have on monthly time frame, resale sells. So I'll be selling this thing. So I'll be selling. So it's now for me to now look out for where should I where will I be entering for? You understand? Where will I be entering myself from? Now, with this, I'm going to 4 hour to see the trend on 4 hour. On 4 hour, what do we have? Is it on 4 hour? We still have the downtrend though. This is still the nice downtrend. So with that, I'm going to 1 hour. On 1 hour, what am I going to be doing? So on 1 hour, I'll be looking at for my strategy setup, which means if I want to sell, I'll be selling from resistance zone, right? So from that resistance zone, so I have to mark out my resistance zone on this chart. Now, this is a resistance zone. Which are the resistance? This one is the resistance zone here. This is the first resistance zone here. Another one here. Because once price turn back to this level, it will turn this one to resistance. But for now, it's still a support, right? So support break. So we see support break. So this is it. And probably this one as well. And mark this one as well. So with this, I'll mark out my zones. So I'll still have to mark out my entry point. Where will be my entry point? Is it which one out of the three? Is it here, here, or here? So with this, to determine that, I have to look out for which one is the very last eye here. The obvious eye here is here. So I'm taking this eye here. This is a eye here. Here. So with this, I'm taking my fib retracement here, and voila. Now, fortunately, the 618 fall under this support, support that will be turning to resistance when the price get there. So which means I will be waiting for this trade here before I take any positions. So which means I will be waiting here. Target will be down here. My stop loss will be around 20 pips. I may put it. Is it in a reasonable place? I think it's in a reasonable place. So if it's not in a reasonable place, maybe I have to wait for market to do whatever I want to do. But for now, let me just leave it like this. So now, after I've determined my point of interest, I have to remove the rest. This one, not interested. So, which means I'm going to be waiting for price to come here, give me my entry confirmation on a 15 minutes. Then I will shoot my shot. Now that's it. And USD. Now let's move to XAUSD. So this is XAUSD monthly time frame. As you can see on a massive buy, on a massive release trend. So what should we be expecting? Still be looking for a bullish, Abby. So now, last month candle, what's the last month candle? It's a kind of dodgy candle indecision, right? Okay, fine. Let's go to 1 week. So on a weekly time frame, nothing juicy, nothing to be excited about. But okay, but I'm seeing a kind of interesting thing here. But to make it more clear, let's go to a daily time frame. On a daily time frame, I think it's more clearer here. A daily time frame, let me check. It's my trend line. Let me check with my trend line. And two, okay. Touch. This one too. 1, 2, to touch. Now, which is also giving us a triangle chart pattern, which also signify a continuation in this kind of scenario. It's also signifying this continuation of the price, which means buy is still moving. Now, let's go to 4-hour. So this is it on 4-hour. Now, I want us to pay attention to something around here. This is the first touch, second touch. So we should be expecting a third touch around here. Then this is the first touch here. And for here, I will count this as second touch and third touch. Some people might count it as one touch, two touch, third touch, and fourth touch. But I'm counting this together as 1, 2, 3. So which means this market might move up from here, which also back our analysis up. Now, since I've known this, I'm going to 1 hour to mark my point of interest. On 1 hour, what are we seeing here? Still, we have an uptrend. That uptrend we have still holding, but here, see it here. I have a trade range here. I have a trade range here, which is here and here. Now, which means this will be my high. This will be qualified to be my high. This will be qualified to be my low. This 618. Now, on my 618 is around here. This is my 618 here. So with this, taking this, sorry, give me 618 here. With this. So this is my 618, which means I'll be interested to take a buy from here to this high here as my first TP, then this trend line as my second TP. So now, then my stop loss will be around 50 pips. This is 50 pips. We're talking about gold here. Stop loss will be around 50 pips. So this is my setup on gold. So I'll be waiting patiently for this market to come down to this level. Given my entry confirmation, then I'll write it up here. First TP is at this high here, then second TP is at this trend line here. So with this, we have come to the end of this video. Thank you very much for supporting this channel. So please subscribe. If you have not subscribed to this channel before, subscribe, like this video, and share.